afternoon. Welcome to Attractions Live, where we show you attractions live. I'm gonna say hi to you guys. Hi, welcome back to the happiest stream on YouTube. Says me. These are the ears today. Ooh. They're like, I guess like rose pink or something like that. Yeah. What's up? Oh, you want to take a picture? Okay. Hi. What's your name?
Charlie.
Charlie? Oh.
I'm just gonna go to downtown Disney to check out the Obi-Wan Kenobi stand.
Oh, cool. I checked that out. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah. Nice meeting you, Charlie. I got my sandwich. I got my chips. I got my napkins. Yeah. I got this baby tiny Tupperware. That's great. Crazy, right? So, what's up? Mary? Hello? What?
Watching yourself?
Oh. He said, oh, you're watching yourself on video. Oh, hey! How's it going? Do you want to say hi?
Yeah.
It's Palos, you guys.
Hey guys, how's everyone doing?
Oh, hang on.
Oh,
It's nice seeing you, though.
I had to say hi.
Yeah.
So
enjoy your.
you guys take
drink.
care too. You should be here in the park having fun, having a cold one. We'll see you.
See you later.
All
Have
right,
fun.
take care. You too.
I'm Attractions Live on every platform. You guys ready? Do you guys know how long the single rider line might be?
About 5 or 10 minutes.
Wow. Okay. Thank you. Yes. This is gonna be awesome. This might be like the fastest, maybe ever.
Central Around Racer is attraction to be powered out immediately from the center.
What? Wait, what? What did you say? It's a walk-off. It's a walk-on.
Initiated with lights to be turned on.
This is so fast. Okay, single riders only. All groups will be separated and assigned to separate vehicles. Sounds like it's 101. I guess we'll see. They're still moving.
The ride just went down. It's going to take about an hour to come back up.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. Oh, you guys. Well, sorry, you guys. Oh, that stinks. It did break down, yeah. It's the curse of Craig, you guys. It's Craig's curse. I was right. It's a walk-off. It's not a walk-on. We can't say Craig or else the ride will break down. Hello? Just ignore me. Oh, except not sitting in the sun like that. That does not seem fun.
This next song features Baby. Hello! And his singular style of superlative syncopation. In just a moment, we'll see if you can keep up with him.
Here we go.
I got rhythm,
I got music.
I got my guy.
Who can ask for anything more?
Help us out, everyone. Easy. There we go.
Whoa.
Thank you all so much. You have been a swell audience, but we've got to get a wiggle on. So keep your eyes open. Maybe one day, who knows, we'll all see our name in lights.
Get it, baby.
Blackbird. Bye-bye. Goodbye, good thank you once again. We'll see you real soon on the sunny side of the street. Thank you.
For this month's giveaway, we have a gum wrapper plastic fork, which is not trash, and my Doritos bag. Who wants the famous Dorito bag? Thank you. if you would like to complete the other half of the heart and send it to my Instagram, Attractions Live. Oh wait, here, let's get Main Street in the background. I'm on my tippy toes. Wow.
Good. How you doing? Good. All right.
Oh my goodness. Whee! Just getting a little view of the horse. Hello! Yes! My favorite thing. I am so crazy. If you want to be, you want to say hi? What's your name? Fred? Theo? Nice to meet you. What's your name? Gavin. Where are you guys headed? Oh, nice. Do you have a pass or a reservation? Nice. Cool.
Have you been on it?
Yeah, it's like one of my favorite rides, actually. Well, have fun. Bye, guys.
You too.
So, one of my mods slash, like, hey.
I'm so frustrated.
It is.
Look. I'm watching your stream.
What? You are?
Wait, are you Attractions Live?
Yeah, that's me.
That's so awesome. I'm gonna subscribe.
Oh, thank you. Have a good day. The like crazy. Oh, that kid was like standing up. Did you see that? Jack Sparrow. Hi. He never says hi to me. I think since watching the first Pirates movies, I think it kind of like ingrained like a Jack Sparrow crush. I think that just always kind of makes me like, whoa, Jack Sparrow.
I get to see you again.
Oh, hi. I didn't recognize you. I was like, who's that? This is Nick, you guys.
Hi.
He was a lead when I was out here. Yeah. Will you take a boat? Can we be on your boat?
Yeah, I can try to arrange that.
Okay, no pressure.
Watch your head, watch your step.
Watch your head, watch your step. Use that handrail. Go ahead, come all the way down, please. All the way down. Sit nice and close together. Act like each other. We're out of here. Everyone turn around the light. Goodbye, goodbye. You're never going to see them ever again. Probably. Never saw them before, so what difference does it make? This one here in the shower is Bertha. Been in the shower way too long. Look at all those wrinkles. Oh, he's coming, whatever can happen. I'm not kidding. Just kidding. Just a little dry humor. Boy, oh, ladies and gentlemen, this could get dangerous. Let's get closer. Now, the Nile River is the longest river in the world, stretching for over 4,000 miles.
Wow.
Don't worry, I know a shortcut. That is an African bull elephant, the rarest animal in the jungle. Very rare to see one of those. That the African bull elephant there is so rare, we will never see another one ever again. So make sure you take a good look. Over here on the right. Has anyone ever seen a Nordmann? Looks like he had to run into his head. That is a stern one right there. That's not even the half of it. You know what? Everyone cover your ears. I'm going to scare him off. Woo! Woo! That was close. That's what we call a hippopotamus. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, the amazing, stupendous, colossal, phenomenal, marvelous, contagious, eighth wonder of the world, the dark side of water! Your enthusiasm's overwhelming. Oh, and no cruise is complete without a stop at the gift shop. Jungle side of the boat, that's on the side of the boat, goes through the jungle. Go ahead, stand on up. You're going to go straight back all the way back through the back door, back there in the back of the boat. Back there, in the back there. Dock side through the front door. Whichever way you go, watch your step, watch your head. Use that handrail, it'll help. Hope y'all had half as much fun as I did. That would mean I had twice as much fun as you.
Looks like there's a little bit of a crowd, which means, sorry. They're probably opening up the doors soon here. She's in heels. She's gone.
tiki room. We're going to wake up our master of ceremonies here, Jose. Everyone say, wake up, Jose.
And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room that is. We present the enchanted fountain.
Look, here come the girls.
Paulette, hello, Calle. Suzette, hello, Mimi. Gigi, Fifi. Ça fait magnifique.
See, no one laid an egg but me.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating.
Everybody stand up on your feet.
I never noticed there were pineapples up here. It's kind of cool. Yes. Oh, thanks.
For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Gateway to Disneyland.
Oh, and can the suit get on here? Can you ask him to get on here?
Just a reminder, we do not have any breakfast. Wheelchair.
The one you reserved, like, it's 10 times better than this.
We're now joining up with the Rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago.
This is my favorite part.
This is my favorite part of the trip.
Whoa.
Around every bend,
No, it's my favorite
there's
part.
natural beauty as far as the eye can see. As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all.
Do you guys, okay, we don't really do Spider-Man very often. Do you guys have any interest in doing Spider-Man? Because I think we can get single rider for that.
Last call for the Disneyland Limited.
Hi, thank you.
Have a good evening.
You too. Oh, I love that your speakers are Mickey heads. It's so cool.
I didn't even notice something.
Oh my goodness, that's so cute.
And there we are.
Thank you. Serenity starting now. We're heading to Racers. Everybody cross your fingers we don't break the ride again, like last time.
Attention and around our lady. Comes right through his right stop sign. Just have to be initiated. Be sync clear.
Uh-oh. Is it down again?
We are dealing with a small minor delay at the moment. As a result, your wait time will be longer than previously anticipated.
That is crazy. It's me, I think. I'm breaking it. Man, we are striking out. That's okay. We have another... Okay, what was the other thing we were going to do? The Spider-Man ride. So we can do that this way. Is the ride down?
It's down right now.
It's down right now. You guys, how is this happening?
Right there, side.
Okay.
Until next time, Warrior Allies. Wakanda forever!
Oh my goodness. Thank you. So today's been a little bit rough on the ride side of things, but it's been really fun hanging out. We have like a bunch of new friends, and that was, I think it was Bob Peterson that just said, remember today as the day that we hit 8,000 subscribers, which is what happened back when we were on Jungle, I think. And that's amazing. There's your hand heart with just the wall, because I know you like stuff that's extra boring. She said on the other side of this. We found him. Oh my goodness. Yes. No, that's... So I'm looking at like, see how that one looks cute, but then it's got like a flat side right there. It's not as round. Okay, I think we've got them. Oh, these are the ears that we're looking at, and these ones have like a nice rounded shape to the ears. So bye, you guys. Thank you for everything today. Thank you for joining me at the happiest place on earth, and that's it. That's all I have for you today. So we're twirling. We are twirling. Bye, you guys. Have a lovely rest of your evening.